What's up, YouTube world? Welcome back to Auto Rehab, part 2, working on my Denali. As you can see right here beside me is a new set of rims. The wheels that were on this truck were discontinued, unfortunately, so therefore I had to go with a new set of wheels. I went with a similar offset and similar size, and thankfully I didn't have to buy any tires. All these tires were good, and they will hold air and they balanced out. So I only spent $1,100 on a new set of motor wheels. Well, let's go ahead and put these beauties on. Okay, got it torqued to 140, so it should be good. So I guess we'll drop down for the moment. Make sure. So here's the damage side. There's the new wheels on there. So I gotta get that fender and door replaced. And here's the bed that Jason Figs did an awesome job. Alright y'all, finally it's Saturday. Got the day off, so it's time to start working on the truck. Main focus for today, I'm going to try and work on the interior, replace the airbags, the seat belts, and possibly install the factory DVD player. So let's get to it. Alright y'all, so we're at the point where we're going to go ahead and start swapping the other parts. We had to get the airbag module out because like I said, airbag's deployed, so it has to get reset. And then there's a factory DVD player comes down here, so we're going to try and attempt to I guess not modify it, but install it and see if it's capable. If it requires too much wiring or not, we're probably not going to do it. But since I do have it, we're going to, I don't know, give it a whirl and see if it works. Alright, so funny story folks. My SD card was kind of full. I didn't notice that, so the whole time we thought we were recording, but we were not. Therefore, most of the truck is already finished. So I'll show you, I guess, what we did. Alright, so the interior is back together. DVD player right there. Got the seat belts installed. New headliner, current airbags. And most important, new steering wheel. Look at that. Alright, and the fender's on. The only thing left to do is put the doors on it. And that's it. As they say, let it rip, potato chip. Boy, look at that muscle right there. Greg, you work out?
It's a couple of
Look at them sparring out of boys. Coming through.
that cup right there, yeah, some of them.
Mm-hmm. Yep. That is the wrong door mirror, but sorry folks, we do have the right one. All right, There's our muscle again. Goes to the Spartan Auto Parts. Okay.
Alright.
Oh, look at that. Man, that's better than factory. Alright, time to swap the mirror and see what's up with the suspension. That's it. This truck is 100%. Alright y'all, so as y'all can see, the truck is pretty much finished. I know I didn't do the best job recording this. We were in a rush, and we, like I said earlier, noticed in the stages that the SD card wasn't recording. So yeah, that was that. Hopefully the next go will be better. Either way, the truck is pretty much finished. We got the doors on it. I just gotta go get alignment checked out on it tomorrow. And other than that, I mean, start driving it. I mean, it needs a good detail and stuff like that, but it's pretty much finished. You guys, whenever you're like replacing doors, always have to replace the original wiring harness. We did that. We put the original wiring harness back in there because a lot of times some things will not work, you know. So, but I got some new floor mats for this thing. Can't go wrong with that. And like I said, new steering wheel looks good. But here, let's start it up. Like I said, it shouldn't have any warning lights or anything like that. Bam, look at that. Perfection. That's it. Get the alignment done and start enjoying this truck. Thankfully got same color doors, so it worked out pretty good. The only other thing I need to do, I need a new tow hitch. My tow hitch was bent up, so tomorrow I'm gonna go get a tow hitch. Here she is, one and only. This was a super fast fix. It took like 2 days max. Here at the Nico Brothers. Look at that. Boy always working, I like it. About to get alignment. In case all you know, this guy right here, Ivan, he used to work at Sierra, so he used to be their main technician. The highest they can get for doing alignments and everything and whatnot. So he is definitely certified, if y'all was wondering.
Let's see if your frame's good. You know, your axle.
That's his tactics for scaring me, but it doesn't work.
Huh?
I said, those are your tactics. They're not going to work on me, sir.
I'm sorry, you have frame damage.
That is not believable.
You have rear axle damage.
I refuse to believe it.
We shall see.
But it's great.
It will. Well, let's look at it.
All right.
So, I have really bad news for you. You have no frame damage. Your rear axle's perfect. Look at this.
Is it really?
Yeah. Your camber's good. Your toe.
Like I said, this is.
And then your front's good. Camber's good. Capture's good.
I was gonna get my steering wheel straight and we're chilling. It's off just a little bit.
Yeah.
Sweet. Like I said, I'm about to go register this thing, get a truck plate. I'm about to keep this for a minute. I'm just tired of not having a truck, man.
That sucks.
Right?
Mine broke down.
Did it? Oh.
Oh, it's EGR.
Look at that. Get into the green. Okay. That's boy, Ivan, he's pretty good at what he does.
Am I?
Are you not?
Sometimes.
You got plenty of years of experience.
Huh?
So you got plenty of years of experience.
You got your body plate.
green. Folks, welcome back to Auto Rehab. We are at the end of the series. It was a very short and loved series. This is my 2015 Denali Duramax. It was actually a very light hit, less damage than expected, even though I did overpay at the auction most likely, but that's okay. This is what I wanted, and I got what I wanted. It cost me pretty much right at $25,000 at home before we did any repairs. Replacing the doors, the curtain airbags, the seat belts, getting new wheels for it. Was able to save the tires and reuse the tires, get them remounted and rebalanced. And what else did we buy for this thing? I got the windshield tinted on it, and I think that's about it really. Nothing else really comes to mind. Anyways, the truck came out right at $30K for me, which, like I said, it ain't bad. Maybe it's a little high for a salvage title truck, but I don't care. This is what I wanted. The truck's got everything I wanted deleted. It's got a lift pump on here, fuel system. It's tuned already. Man, we're chilling, cruising, you know. So it is a great truck. I love how it drives. By far one of my favorite trucks. It hauls good too. I want to thank everybody for watching this channel, man. Seriously, I love the good feedback and all the positive energy I get from you guys. If you guys want, follow me on Instagram. I always kind of post sneak peeks and even other builds that don't make it to YouTube, they're on my Instagram. So follow me on Instagram. Either way, y'all, seriously, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next episode of the next build. Peace.